that helps your hair stay strong. Just like a women's. Like, I really don't need any more calories. Okay, what do you guys want? How about this? How about this?
People, they need some marks. Give me another one. Come on. Don't pussy out now. Look at this. This is Paul. He's like...
And so we thought long and hard about how we would use it. Would we talk to the women we hope to inspire 1 million in the next year?
My burps are more meaningful than her words.
Or would we talk to
like the person who got you banned from Twitch initially? The fuck? Don't cats just fuck my building.
Good night, everyone.
Thank you for your service.
Disgusting, despicable title.
As despicable as that? I really appreciate that. Fuck, that hurt my ears too. That one was free.
3DS XL is different from the Muslim 3DS XL.
She wasn't even phased. What the hell? You don't like this game? I like it.
Who doesn't like fried chicken? Doesn't matter if they're black or white.
Gee. Oh, sorry, that was my blackness coming out. Okay, we're good. Neutralize the sinning to a minimum. Just had a demon come out of me, excuse me. So through hell for the sake of...
Right.
Remember guys, if you masturbate to my stream, God will strike you down.
To totally bear, it all starts with a beard hedger and a burp. This thing is a juggernaut.
It's like property, and it kind of shows like the backstory that like he always like wanted to kidnap somebody.
Excuse me. Continue.
So that's what it says. Mark on the wheels points. Needle riser.
Okay, the pop-up already went away to go live by the time my burp happened. They start off with making this secondary sexual characteristics. Jay Dyer in the chat. Again, I don't know. I don't know what those technical... I disagree on that. And to make someone do anything you want, let me tell you guys something. I would not...
Such a small percentage of men.
I actually don't know how loud they're going to be until they happen. You built my chair and they want me to be in back pain forever. Okay, I see some screws. one more step after the arms. Okay, I need a kombucha break. Okay. Okay. No, that's what I'm saying. So, things like that. Spooky! Don't burp like that on my stream. Onion literally hates me. Thanks, but you use the green part as a topping. Bing bong. Because they're doing it for free, basically. Like,
off.
Send him a message.
She's crazy.
Rough with the little girl when all she wanted was Brittany. Perry, do you like
that was rough.
Do you like girls who burp, Perry?
Well, that's as bad as my belching, if not worse. Sometimes.
Let's hear it.
I don't want to belch.